Okay, let's see let's solve the first problem, which is in the our lollipop and the jelly bean problem. So lollipop and jelly bean problem is here. So our lollipop and jelly bean problem solution. Okay, so formulation is like this. So I will set the objective function here. So this is too small to see. So let's see. And this is too big. So I will and maximize what I'm trying to maximize is okay, let's define the decision variable here. Decision variables L and J, right? So I want to set the what is L and what is J. So let's say I set the L 10, J is 5. This is just a rough, your initiate. So given any number is fine because I don't know what is solution. I don't know what is the feasible solution area. I just type in any number. So you can type in like 100 or 70, it doesn't matter. So objective function is what? This is, you cannot just type in like a 40j plus, what was that? 40 and 25, so 40j, 25, 40l plus 25j. Then computer cannot understand this. So what you have to do is you have to set, so if you set the L is 100, which means you multiply 40 times E1. E1 is the L, right? And then 25 times J. Then you will get this much number. But later we will type in the constraint also. But let's say this is L, and let's say this is the J. And once you find out, okay, if you type in 10 and 30, then this is what your profit. So depends on this one, this number automatically can change, right? Then the Excel will understand. If you type in 50, it will change your objective function. So your objective function profit, total profit will depend on your decision variable. Okay, now you have to make a constraint. First one was a sugar. Sugar requirement is what? Jelly bean use 3 cup and lollipop use 4 cup. So if you decide lollipop 50, then it will require 4 cup times 50 plus 3 cup times 30, right? This is the what total required sugar. And then this have to be, yeah, have to be less than equal to 60 because you have only 60 cups, right? And then I will use this one, but this is the, you don't have to type in. This is for my convenience. So this say here, you don't have to type in anything, but I want to figure it out this is less than or equal to. Otherwise, you have to keep looking at what was that? Jelly bean use 3 curve and 4 curve. And the second thing is what? Marketing constraint. Required J should be at least, so this should be at least grade then equal to 2 times lollipop, right? And it should be like this. Again, this one you don't have to type in, but this is mark. So that computer can figure it out. Obviously, this 5030 doesn't satisfy my constraint. This doesn't satisfy the sugar constraint, doesn't satisfy the marketing constraint, and what else? This is the only two constraints, right? And then we can solve the problem.